In this lesson, we're going to talk about related addition facts. So if we have a problem like this one that says, which is the related addition fact for 7 plus 1 equals 8? So what it means is a related addition fact just means that you could rewrite this in a different way and still get the same answer. So if we look at these here, we could see that 1 plus 8 equals 9. This is not related to this. The numbers are different. And then this one, 1 plus 9 equals 10. This is not the same answer, so these are not related. Also, the numbers are different. 2 plus 7 equals 9. Well, this is not the same answer, and again, these numbers are different. Here, we have 1 plus 7 equals 8. This is the one. So a related addition fact means that you can write this in two different ways. 7 plus 1 equals 8. And then you could rewrite it like this. 1 plus 7 equals 8. So it doesn't matter what order you add the numbers in, you will get the same answer. And that is a related addition fact. So don't worry if you don't understand this right away. You could rewatch the video, and there's links in the description to other videos of mine that are similar to this if you need extra help. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for listening.